I have come across an all-in-one technical analysis indicator on the Tradingview platform that is incredibly comprehensive. It includes supply and demand, numerous confirmation indicators, and EMAs with various smooth filters. I can confidently say that I have never seen a tool quite like this before. It is truly impressive. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to use a technical analysis tool that can help you trade volatile cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and forex pairs. I will also provide you with a complete trading strategy that can ensure consistent and instant profitability. This indicator is most effective when used on time frames of 5 and 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. Before we begin, if you're tired of losing money in trading and looking for proven indicators that professional traders use, I highly recommend checking out the SuperTrade Private Indicator. Our team has developed some of the most advanced technical analysis tools available on Tradingview, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. By joining the SuperTrade's VIP Discord community, you can get access to profitable trading signals, receive help in passing funded challenges, and learn dozens of high win rate strategies that will serve you for a lifetime. Investing in yourself as a trader is definitely worth it. If you're serious about your trading career, join the SuperTrade family today and enjoy the rest of your life. To install the indicator on your chart, follow the steps below. Log into your Tradingview account. Open any market, for example, the Solana price chart on the 15-minute time frame. Open the indicators and search for DIY Custom Strategy Builder V1. Select the one created by ZPA. We should express our gratitude to the creator of this amazing script. By default, the indicator displays buy and sell signals on the chart, along with supply and demand zones and market sessions. The market sessions displayed on the chart are helpful in instantly identifying the session during which the market moves the most. The candle coloring used in the indicator is a crucial factor in indicating the market's trend and momentum. Green candles suggest strong buying pressure. Red candles indicate significant selling pressure, and gray bars appear when the market consolidates. If a buy signal appears under a green bar, it is likely to be more profitable. Conversely, if a sell signal appears under a red bar, it is more likely to be profitable. You can adjust the accuracy of these signals in the indicator inputs. With over 30 indicators to choose from, you can customize the combination of indicators to generate buy and sell signals. This process eliminates the need for manually confirming signals from multiple indicators, which can be time-consuming. The indicator streamlines the process by automatically printing buy and sell signals based on your selected combination of indicators. You can set up alerts and let the indicator do the work for you, saving you hours of screen time. When selecting indicators for trading, it's important to consider the market you're trading in and choose the right combination. One function that stands out is the signal expiry candle count, which has a default setting of 3. This means that if the leading indicator prints a signal, it will wait for a maximum of 3 more candles for the rest of the confirmation indicators to catch up. If they don't catch up, the signal won't be printed. You can choose your main confirmation indicator from a list of popular buy and sell indicators on Tradingview. This saves you the trouble of installing multiple indicators on your chart, as all the necessary tools are available in one place. For the cryptocurrency market, SuperTrend is the preferred main confirmation indicator for long trades due to its high accuracy. The buy signals are particularly accurate, and the indicator can also be used as part of a buy and hold strategy. The creator regularly updates it for consistent accuracy. Additionally, it can be used for trading in any time frame, from intraday to long-term trading. Enabling different indicators in the input section can help you customize the secondary confirmation indicator according to your preferences. You can choose from several EMA filters, range filters, SuperTrend, VWAP, stochastic, and more to build thousands of trading strategies within seconds. Simply choose the first and secondary confirmation indicators, and you're good to go. If you're interested in day trading Solana, here's a good combination that works. To begin, enable half trend as your main confirmation. Then scroll down and select the 200 EMA, range filter, and Wada Atar explosion as signal filters. Disable the alternate signal option and adjust the length of the indicators to improve signal accuracy. You can also turn on overlay indicators such as fair value, gaps, and liquidity zones. If all the indicators align correctly, a buy or sell signal will be generated. To initiate a trade, check the candle color, and consider supply and demand as the final trade confirmation to maximize your odds. Avoid opening a long trade near the supply zone and a short trade near the demand zone. To better understand how this indicator works, let's review some recent trade examples. During a recent London session, a long signal was issued. Since volatility is higher than usual during this time, we expect trending market conditions. Additionally, the candle bar was green, indicating bullish pressure. Before opening a position, it's crucial to check the price action. In this case, the price broke above the range it had been moving in. This type of breakout is strong and suggests that the market will continue to rise, which is exactly what happened. To manage risk, set the stop loss at the recent swing low and aim for a manual profit target that's no less than 1.5 times the risk. Here is another valid long entry that took place during the Sydney sessions. This trade could have been very profitable for you. It's worth noting that this indicator cancels signals during range markets. If the candle bar is gray, no trade should be taken. Only when all the necessary conditions are met should you open the position. It's also easy to take short positions with this indicator. A sell signal is generated when half trend gives a sell signal, the price closes below the EMA, and the WADA-ATAR explosion is negative. Instead of displaying all the indicators mentioned above on the chart, the indicator simply prints a signal if all the conditions are met. I highly recommend checking out these entries. The signals are highly accurate. If you're interested in creating alerts for this strategy, let me show you how. First, click on the Alerts button at the top. For the condition, enable the DIY Custom Strategy Builder indicator. You can create alerts for buy or sell signals. Select the alert once per closed bar, set the expiration date if needed, and click Create to finish. Trader, thanks for your watching. As a token of my appreciation, I have a coupon code that you can use for both the SuperTrade private indicator and SuperTrade's VIP Discord community. Additionally, there is a free trial available today only, so be sure to check the link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.